Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.